Have you been wondering how other new coaches have been able to make 10K per month without any paid ads in their first few months of business? If you want to stop trading dollars per hour and start making more money while serving more people, then this video is for you. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Mariana Aspru and I help new coaches launch signature programs that sell. But it's more than selling. It's helping you live your purpose so you can be valued for your gifts and make an impact in the world. For spiritual and business advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every week. The big reason why clients come to me is this. They want to create an offer that sells. An offer that sells that is aligned to their gifts, their talents, their potential, in order for them to live their purpose and finally make the impact that they are here meant to make. By working with so many women on this topic, I know what it takes to build a signature offer that sells. Not only I did this in my own business, but I also help my clients succeed with it. So before creating your signature offer, make sure to align to your gifts. This is really important to think about on a long term and not just look for a quick fix. Now, when you create a signature offer, I want you to package your best gifts, not every gift. This is because it's important for you to work with ideal clients and not just serve everyone. And I told you about that in the last video, why it's important to serve just one particular group of people and not speak to everyone in order for you to be able to sell your services and really make the impact that you're here meant to make. And if you haven't seen that video, you can check it right here and you can see more about that. Okay, so before sharing with you the secrets to signature programs that sell, let me share with you what a signature program is and what a signature program is not. This is important because there is a lot of misconception about what a signature offer is, and I want to really give you the clarity that you need in order for you to build your signature offer that sells. This means knowing what to focus on as the right thing to build your offer. Okay, so what a signature program is not. Now, a signature program is not just putting a few sessions in a package at a lower rate. It's also not just putting some words on a paper, like on a web page. If you think that you will sell faster a lower price package, then I'm gonna tell you that that is not the case. You will actually put the same amount of effort as you put on selling a high ticket program. Let me give you an example. Let's say if you put your package being like $100 or like $500, think about how many people you actually need in order for you to make ends met. Instead, what about if you put your package at a higher price and you're also able to do that by showing your benefits and the gifts that you're actually offering to your ideal clients. Now, when you try to sell that at a lower price, then you will need a lot of people. And the effort of marketing, it will be higher than any other. Now, I know that you want to be well paid, and I know that you would prefer to be paid and have your signature program at a higher rate. Now, there is an art and science to do that, and you really need to know and understand how to package your best gifts, the benefits of your services, and also how you can serve your clients in the most ideal way for them to say yes. Okay, so what a signature program is, it's a structured way that you can package your best gifts, your talents, your skills, and also the benefits that you're offering to your customers, any features that they are important for your customers to know about, and plus really, really important, packaging your story in a way that it resonates with your ideal clients. This is basically a journey that you take your ideal clients from where they are to where they want to get. And you have to do this through your signature offer to make them understand why your signature offer is really the perfect solution for them and the problem that they are having right now. And the best part is when you have a signature offer, is like having a salesperson in your corner 24/7, really making the sales for you. You don't have to sell and you don't have to market yourself 24/7 on social media or in any other way. When people will gonna get on the call with you, they will automatically understand if that offer is for them or it's not. So this means when clients find you, they know exactly how you're helping them. Plus, they know that they want you over someone else. They understand the benefits that you're offering to them, and they understand that you are the best solution to help them solve their problem. This also means that you will attract clients that are already ready to invest in working with you and not just have people just check your web page, because a web page is really nothing. What you need is a sales page, and the sales page is what a signature program is when you put everything together into a what I call a sales page superstar. When you do this right, it will gonna save you a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of energy. And you will be just amazed to work with those people who are actually contacting you. You will see that you will not need to chase clients, and clients will gonna come to you and they will gonna find you, knowing that you are the solution for their problem. Okay, so coming to the secrets of how to create a signature program that sells. Step number one is to be really clear on your ideal client and the problem you're solving, so you're helping them out. And here's what I mean by that. In the last video, I shared with you why it's important to serve one group of people instead of everyone. And if you haven't checked that video, you can check it right now. But basically, what I want to say about this is that it's really, really important to focus on one type of group of people, because this way your message will gonna resonate with them, having the same motivations, desire, pain points compared with like everyone else. Now, when you create your signature offer, you want to create this messaging around those group of people. And when you do that, you're going to be able to connect with them on a deeper level and really, really make them understand how you can support them and how they are the best fit for your offer. But why this is so important? This is important because those are the people that they will going to be willing to invest in your services. Those will be the people that they will understand, this is me. She's speaking to me. Now she's not speaking to everyone. She's really speaking to me, to my pain points, my desires, my aspiration, my motivations. Right? Think about this. Your ideal clients actually want to feel like they are the one. When you go into a relationship, you're not looking to be like with everyone. You're looking to find the one. You want to have a partner that makes you feel like you are the one. And your ideal clients want to feel the same way. And this is the way that they will gonna be willing to invest in working with you. So when you can create your signature offer around those people that you know that you can serve and make them feel that they are the one, that's when you can have a signature offer that sells. Now, the step number two, when you create a signature offer that sells, is really about something that actually many marketers and many other coaches are not sharing this with you. And I want to share this with you because I know that is really, really important. And that's secret, and something that it's actually really, really easy. It's really, you need to have a compelling story in your signature offer. It's not about just sharing, benefits and features and any other stuff. It's really important to share your story to be able to connect to your ideal clients on a deeper level. This is really important because in their subconscious mind, they will gonna feel that they trust the person who understands them the most. And this is really something that maybe other people are not sharing, but I'm sharing this with you because it's really important. And I've seen so many messages online, and so many messages sound really the same. And the problem with that is that when someone sounds the same as someone else, then it's really, really difficult to sell an offer, and make it yourself. It's really difficult to make a name for yourself in a crowded market, and also really get known, because I know that if you are in this business, you're in the business of people and you're here to make an impact. So you're not here just to make money and have luxurious stuff. That is great, but it's also important for you to really serve people and be there for them. And the best way to do that is really when you know how to connect with them. I don't want you to, be lost in the sea of coaches with the same messages and have all those copycats. I know that you have a unique message, and I know you have like gifts, and you have your mission that is really unique to you and not someone else. So when you put that into a personal story, that's when you can connect with your ideal clients, and then that's when you can be able to actually sell. The third step that you want to keep in mind when you create a signature offer that sells is really speak with your ideal clients one-on-one and don't assume what you think that they want. And it's really important to do that because you don't want to spend, months of work and try to put a signature offer out there, and then when you're launching it to actually fail. I don't want that happen to you. So you really need to speak with your ideal clients and really learn to listen. This is the key in creating an offer that sells. You're gonna learn from them what they want instead of assuming and just creating something based on, you know, guesswork. The problem is if you really try to create an offer like before speaking with people, you can end up, you know, creating something that doesn't really sell. And then the problem is it will gonna come down to your confidence, and you will gonna think about maybe that there is something wrong with you. And I'm gonna tell you right now, there is nothing wrong with you. You are amazing how you are, and I'm sure that you have amazing gifts that maybe you didn't even tap into them. And I'm here to actually support you with that. Is, you know, is my zone of genius. So I'm super excited for you to, you know, launch a signature offer and be able to sell it, but you really need to know how to do that in the right way. When you try to do that on your own, you might find yourself that you're not hitting the mark with the right women. And when that happens, it can really be really difficult, and maybe you will gonna be like hard on yourself, and maybe you will gonna think about, oh, I need to change my niche, oh, I need to change my message, oh, I need to change that. Because when you try to do that on your own, you may put something out there, and if it doesn't work, you may start questioning your value, and I don't want that happen to you. So many coaches are making this mistake at the beginning, and it really hits them, like it hits them really hard on their self-confidence, on their worth, on their value. They really, like, you know, they go in this circle and they think about, is this my niche, is this my message, I'm not sure if this is my offer, I'm not sure if this is what I should put out there. And I don't want that happen to you, because it's really difficult, and this can take you like months of your life when you do this on your own. So that's why it's important to have the support to really ask your clients, ask people, and speak with people one-on-one and understand what they want before creating something that people maybe would not buy, or maybe people are not ready for, or maybe people are not understanding exactly what you're doing. So don't waste this time. Make sure that what you're creating out there is something that is really aligned to your gifts, is really something that speaks to your story, and it's also something that people really want. All right, so these are my tips for you today. I'm super excited to hear your comments. Please subscribe to this channel, hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video, and also like this video, share it with your friends, your family, and who you want. And if you need even more support, I have a free guide for you to clarify your niche and really find your voice if you struggle to attract ideal clients, and if you really want to get your coaching business off the ground. This is a key for you. So I have that in the description below, and you can look and see how that guide helps you. And anytime you can reach out to me and ask me any questions that you have. And at the same time, you can join my group, the Fully Aligned Coaches community group, where I answer questions and where you can also ask me any other questions. Connect with me on Instagram, and I'm here for you. I hope this was super useful for you. Let me know in the comments, and we'll talk soon.